Hey there, welcome back to Rex TV. Today, we're going to discuss a pressing issue that's been making headlines in Zimbabwe, the situation involving President Mnangagwa and the ruling Zanu PF party's alleged efforts to displace rural settlers in order to gain access to valuable mineral resources. According to numerous reports and accounts from affected communities, the government and Zanu PF have been actively pursuing efforts to remove rural settlers from their land, with the ultimate goal of mining for valuable minerals such as gold and diamonds. The Rhodesia Mineral Land Map has been a pivotal piece of evidence, showcasing the abundance of mineral resources in areas where rural farms, villages, and schools are located. This has led to widespread speculation that the government's motives for displacing these communities are solely driven by their desire to exploit these mineral resources for economic gain. Zanu PF's alleged use of the High Court to facilitate the removal of villagers is particularly concerning, as it suggests a systematic and legalistic approach to dispossessing these communities of their land rights. Many of these rural settlers have lived on their land for generations, and the forced removal and displacement they're facing is not only a violation of their rights but also a traumatic uprooting of their lives and livelihoods. The situation is further compounded by the fact that many of these rural communities have been sustaining themselves through agricultural activities, a vital source of income and sustenance. The removal of these settlers not only threatens their homes and way of life, but also undermines their ability to support themselves and their families. These actions have led to widespread condemnation from human rights organizations and social activists who have been calling for transparency, accountability, and the protection of rural settlers' rights. It's important to shine a light on these developments and support the affected communities in their fight for justice and fair treatment. The exploitation of valuable mineral resources should not come at the expense of the rights and well-being of rural settlers. We hope that through increased awareness and advocacy, the government and Zanu PF will be held accountable for their actions, and that the rights and livelihoods of rural communities will be respected and upheld. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this issue and other important topics. Let's stand in solidarity with the affected commune. It is and work towards a more just and equitable future for all.